How many times have you turned up to a training or a conference room and found out it's fully booked? Well, if you're wondering how to add a room to your Outlook calendar, we've created an easy step-by-step guide. First, you'll need to open Outlook. On opening Outlook, look to the left-hand side of the application and select Calendar. On the right-hand side of the top menu, look for the plus Add button. Here, you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu. Select From Room List. A pop-up will appear with a list of rooms that can be added to your Outlook calendar. Double-click on the room you'd like to add to your calendar and press OK. That's it, as easy as that. The new room calendar will now be displayed on the right-hand side of your screen. But how do you remove it? On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see Shared Calendars and then the room you've selected. Untick the box and the calendar will disappear. See the calendar again. All you need to do is select the room. You've now added a room to your Outlook calendar and learned how to hide the calendar when it's no longer required.